What's up guys, welcome back to a new video.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel.
So today is baby shower time.
Today is the day. It's finally here. And the weather is not completely cooperating with us. It's a little gloomy.
It was drizzling in the morning.
Yeah, but it could have been worse. It could have been thunderstorms and rain pouring. So
Hey, and we got a tsunami warning sign.
we did?
Warning, no, not sign, warning alert.
Really?
Yeah. Oh, I got it on my phone. Pero cero miedo, camarada, cero miedo. La fiesta sigue. Yeah, but we got some things to do and we're gonna take you guys along. We gotta go set up everything. Right now we're at Starbucks. If you guys can see, I'll show you my drink right now. But yeah, we gotta go set up the centerpieces, the tables, the table covers. Yeah, covers? Yeah, the table covers. Oh, there's a lady right there right now putting the garland, the balloons. We got the desserts coming in later. What else? The grupito later on too. The food is gonna get there. Yeah, we got a busy day today, guys.
We do.
Pero lo primero es lo primero, un cafecito para aguantar todo el día. Got the goods. Now we gotta give it a little taste test.
A little taste
Let me
test.
put you guys on. What's it called? Iced toasted white chocolate mocha. Nah, it's not really put you on this. It's not like a special drink.
It's considered a holiday drink,
You still have it though.
but it's literally just like the white chocolate mocha. I was looking at the ingredients.
First coffee taste. Oh my god, yes.
Good.
Yes. Yeah.
Wow.
Alright guys, so now we gotta load up all the centerpieces in the cars. We'll see how we make it. I think only like 4 are gonna fit, or like 5.
We might need to take
Maybe in the ground, huh?
Yeah.
We also got my brother's car on the side.
We have that car waiting to get loaded up.
Yeah, because of the balloons, it takes the whole back.
The whole space, yeah.
God damn it, you little fuckers. We got my brother with 2 more. You can put those probably in your car, bro. Try to put them like in the back.
So we're setting things up, our balloon garland lady, and it started to rain, so hopefully it stops in a bit. See? This is the before, and we'll show you guys the after in a bit. This is how we're looking.
It's a mess right now, but it's a working process.
It'll be worth it at the end. These are the desserts we're gonna have. Once they're fixed up, we'll show them to you guys.
She's the one that did the garland.
Laurita's Luxury Balloons.
¿Y dónde está localizado?
En 3006 Santa Fe, aquí en Long Beach.
There you go, guys. Check her out. Gracias. Well, there's the name. Baby Sebastian. Well, guys, we're finally done after like 3 hours. Finally set up. So we got all the tables ready, the centerpieces. The garland's ready too. So the third table's gonna be right here. The lady got down though. So now we're just waiting for the food. It's gonna get here like in a couple hours. We gotta go home and shower because she's stinky over there.
We are stinky.
You're stinky, I'm not stinky.
We are stinky. Basically, the only thing we have left is setting up the dessert table.
Which will be when we come back, when we're ready.
And I think that's
And
it.
wait for the guests,
And wait for
if
the
they
guests
show
to
up.
So once we're back and ready,
We'll record again, but now we'll give you a little montage of everything that's set up and then the rest of the party. So guys, enjoy. Alright guys, so we got some carnitas and some birras.
So we got barbacoa.
Barbacoa.
Right here
Más,
we have
más.
carnitas, estilo Michoacán.
A huevo, Vali.
You know,
Some rice. I mean some rice, some beans. Some rice.
And if you
Yeah,
know,
bolillo.
the bolillo with the.
Y ahí está toda la salsa right there.
If you know, you know. If you don't, well then I'm
Tacos Mi
sorry.
Ranchito, follow them on Instagram.
What's up?
The best in the West.
No, Long Beach.
Oh, the best in Long Beach.
Best everywhere.
Good quality food. Hit them up. Alright guys, we ready for tonight. Turn up,
took me a
turn
while
up.
to get ready, guys. I couldn't getting the dress on, my hair, my makeup.
I'm ready. See the belly? Alright, we got the dessert table already.
El desierto no lo niego, que me la paso tomando, es lo que pide
gonna get the winning one?
Yeah.
Ah, tú sí sabes. Hey, whenever I have a party and I want to do games, I'm gonna get Martha to do it. Let me see, hold it up. Oh, it's tiny.
I did how much?
Nah, that's cheating.
What'd she do, Anne?
She had a big ass glove on.
Alright guys, so now it's a couple days later from the baby shower. Finally, no more stress. Baby shower was a success.
Everything turned out amazing, at least how we envisioned it. We had like a, how to say it, like
a vision.
A vision of exactly how we wanted the baby shower, and to me it turned out perfect.
Even better.
The weather didn't stop us. It was kind of messing with us for a little bit, but good thing that through the rest of the night everything stopped, as you guys will see on the video.
The baby got everything. He got the stroller, he got a crib, he got clothes.
He got a lot of stuff. I have to figure out exactly where to put all his stuff.
Yeah, but thank you to the people that came. We appreciate you guys. Even though it was raining, even though of the whole pandemic thing going on, we were as safe as possible. But thank you guys. I wish we would have recorded more, but we were just having fun with the family and with the friends. So this is just like a little bit of what happened. But we'll make sure next time to record even more.
Yeah, it's pretty hard to have the camera and then go and greet people and spend time with your friends, spend time with your family. So like he said, we tried to record as much as we can. Maybe next time we'll get somebody to record for us, because we were basically just taking turns, like you record here and you record there, but as much as we could is what we recorded.
All right guys, well other than that, I'm Joel.
And I'm Lucy.
And he's Sebastian. And we're out.